morning. We are on our way to school and we just passed a chicken in the road. Dead. Hey, Kara. The chicken didn't cross the road. It didn't make it. The chicken didn't make it across the road. What are we going to do?
Keep going.
Keep going. Where the heck did the chicken come from anyway? I don't know, but it was trying to cross the road. It didn't make it. You know that was funny. You know it was funny. You getting that eye junk? Good morning again. I just got back from the doctor's. I got my blood drawn to see how my thyroid levels are doing since they changed my meds. I hope that they are starting to level out and I don't have to increase my meds again. So I got that taken care of. Kara's dropped off at school and now I'm gonna start my day. So my meeting went really long. It lasted like 3 hours. So Kara's
actually 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Kara's a little disturbed that we're late coming home. I apologize. But I got a good package in the mail and I can't wait to open it. All right, I got this sketch box because I've been so into painting and doing artistic kind of things that I wanted to see. This is one of those subscription boxes that they send you like really cool art supplies to kind of check out, and I just wanted to see what was out there because I've only explored painting. So I ordered this. This is my first time getting it, and so I want to kind of see. Oh, I need those. Oh, that's awesome. All right, so I got some really good paintbrushes, synthetic paintbrushes. Love that. Whoa, a color brush. That's cool. That's huge. Yes. Some liquid acrylic paint. I've been wanting to try some different paints. Oh, it's like really sparkly. I know you guys can't really tell, but that's awesome. All right. Of course, I get a sticker and a card and these fun little things that fill up the box. All right, so I got 3 items. I did only order the basic box because I didn't want to spend too much money if I didn't really know what I was getting. I think they feature artists with each box, and so this one is a feature, Josie, and this is her artwork, which is pretty cool. All right, so it says the May Basic Box. This month is all about liquid acrylic, a truly unique medium that offers almost limitless flexibility. So we include the Daler Rowney's pearlescent liquid acrylic. They're water soluble, but when dry, to a water-resistant film. The shimmery pearl effect created by the pigment is startling. That's what I'm saying. It like looks really. I wish my camera would focus that good. Maybe it will. Oh, there you go. Can you see like the shimmer in there? It's very watery though. All right. It's so fun that the box I start. A sketch box all about acrylic paint. I want to try this. I want to see if I like it. But I definitely like these paint brushes. Alright, so yeah, and the brushes and that. I'm going to try these out sometime soon and I'll let you guys know. But, alright, time to get dinner out of the freezer. because I did not do it this morning, and it's going to be something that Kara can make, which is going to be just a simple ham steak and some French fries. Kara, do you want, oh, never mind, there's only one kind. Somebody got into my French fries. Alright, and some French fries. Well, I'll leave those in there until she's ready to make those, but that ham steak's got to defrost. Okay, so maybe I couldn't really wait. There's like a flexible end, and I see the paint coming. Ooh. That is cool for writing on my paintings. Oh. I pulled my hair back. It's starting to get long enough. Well, Kara ditched me making dinner. Somebody didn't make dinner, like she said.
What are you talking about?
I even told her exactly how to do the ham. I said there's a lot of water that's going to come out. I said make sure you drain it. And then we talked about the fries. And I talked about making them crispy. And then I come out of my bedroom and to find her still in her bed, on her phone, no chores being done, and no dinner cooked.
I got till 12 a.m. tonight to do my chores.
If you're still up at 12 a.m., we have a problem because you have science testing tomorrow.
Pretty good at science.
Well, why don't you just toot your own horn?
I don't have a horn. I don't know.
So I guess I'm cooking dinner. It'll turn out better anyways. Kara says she doesn't like my hair like this. She said it looks weird. I don't really know what's weird about it, but that hair is weird.
You can't even get your hair in this. Don't even start.
I can. You're making fun of my hair? Let's investigate Kara's dresser next to her bed. Let's take a look at what she's been doing. Can she be any more like a princess? She's got her little fancy cup with the fancy bow and the straw, with her pinky up. Pinky up. She has
I ate this during dinner.
I just bought, she's only had access to this for 2 days. 2 days.
I made sure I packed a bag so there's still more. I mean, I could eat that too, but I know.
She has her dinner plate with her fork. And she's still in the same spot I showed you that she was in about 5 hours ago. And your pillowcase is on the floor.
I don't use
It's
a pillowcase.
freshly washed. And your clothes are on the floor. And watch this answer. And did you do your chores?
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you dust?
Pictures?
Oh. Yeah? With what?
The stuff that's under the sink.
Bull! Bull! Guys, I need help. I really want to do like a paddle on the bootay
And let us have our name.
where it like leaves a branding mark on her butt.
Like,
You're gonna get-
isn't like the stamps, you know? Like,
You're gonna get a pow pow. A pow pow. Get your chores done.
at Maggie. Boo boo.
It is 9 p.m.
9:24 actually.
Get your chores done.
I got till 12, yeah.
You're grounded. Somebody keeps blowing up my phone. Let me check and see who that is. Alright guys, I am heading to bed. I have to edit this vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed yet, you should. See you tomorrow. Bye.